Hello everyone. Now we are going to discuss about the topic software development life cycle. In this software development life cycle, we have to know about the main phases of software project management. In this, we have to know the phases about the software project. The phases are arrived in its many projects. One is an requirement gathering and analysis, and second one planning, and third one design, and fourth one developing or coding, and fifth one testing, and sixth one deployment and maintenance. Every project we have to know about this software lifecycle development. Based on this SDLC software lifecycle development, we have to implement our software and maintenance project and maintenance our project. So first of all, you have to know about this one by one phases of this software development life cycle. First one is an requirement and analysis phase. In this requirements, we have to get the document in the form of subject requirements analysis, subject requirements specification. Based on this SRS document, we have to gather the requirements. We have to gather the requirements from this requirement of this software. We have to document our data, document our project. For the main purpose, we have to use this SRS document, system requirement specification document. Based on this SRS document, we have to do our product, get our product marketing team within this software product organization, and we have to specify the requirements by aggregating these requirements gathering of these multiple potential customers. So based on this SRS document, you have to convey your customer with your customer and explained about the designed chart for about your product, how to build this product. Next, second thing, you have to plan the phase, planning the second phases. The planning based on this planning means just nothing but a schedule. We have to schedule our project when we have to get the requirement, and when we have to plan the data, when we have to design, when we have to test, which phases have to be completed. After that, which data can be come, we have to which data has been arrived. So we have to plan the requirements, how to require the data, and which time we have to explain, and what are all the requirements are arrived, what will be met and what will not be met. So based on this current release that you have to decide on the scope of this project, look at this resource availability and to come out a set of milestones and release date for this project. So both of this project plan and test plan documents are to be delivered based on this development and testing this activity. After that, we have to design this SRS document. Then how to satisfy this requirement enumerated in this SRS document is nothing but you have to represent that will be used by following phases. In this development phase, you have to serve that two purposes. First one, you have to represent the possibilities to verify that all the requirements are satisfied or not. Second thing, you have to represent significance. Second thing, you have to give the informations for the development of phases, for the development of phases to proceed with the coding and the implementation of this system. Then after that, based on these two purposes, you have to design the steps and produce the software design description. So we have newly created as a document name is SDG, System Design Description. So you have to keep it in this SDD and used by this development team to produce the programs and to release this design. After the fourth phases is a development and coding. Development and coding, before actually we have got the requirements and design and planning, whatever may be, and after you have to design the project. Next you have to develop the product. For that we have to use the blueprint in an actual coding to be proceeded. Based on this blueprint, we have to mention what are the works that are allocated and what are all the planning we have, such as we have been involved in these activities. Based on this planning, we have to do our activities fulfilled. After that, you have get the fulfilled project. It's a good product can be delivered. So in this development and this testing, we have to choose this blueprint structure for this program, and comprises to coding in this programming. We have what programs languages you can choose your own program. After that you have to involve in this creation of this product documentation. After that you have to know about the last phases. Fifth phases is testing. In this testing phase we have to test our coding. That means that a program, you have to test your program, and you could be tested correctly, which are all the subjects that are arrived, what are the products you had been issued here. After the coding is completed, the product this subjected to the testing or not. That testing is one of the process of exercising. Testing is one of the process of exercising our software product for the predefined way. It is a predefined way to check if this behavior is the same as is in an expected manner. Then last thing, the development, deployment and maintenance. For the based on this requirement gathering, planning, designing, and after you have to design, develop your coding. Then last fifth phases, you have to testing your product. After that you have to maintain, whether you have to check once again your customer satisfaction. You have to deploy in your environment once the product is tested. Next way, we have to move in this product in their environment, that can be observed the descriptions between this actual behavior of this product and what they were given to expect, such the way of product defects which we needed to be corrected. So we have to enter the maintenance phase. Now we have to maintenance phase. For that we have to use the product maintained, or whether it is changed, or you need to satisfy to changes any from arise from this customer expectation. You can change. After that you have to fixing the customer report problems. What are all the problems arise in our project under the